Welcome to Red 20, located in the heart of the Northeast Minneapolis Riverfront Art District. Our S2 studio layout offers 528 square feet of living space. Large sliding doors to your private balcony frame your city views. Your kitchen features a full wall of sleek espresso cabinetry, a Subway tile backsplash, Energy Star rated stainless steel appliances, gray quartz countertops, convenient USB outlets, an island space that is great for cooking, entertaining, and dining. The bedroom space showcases a modern barn-style door and partial wall, allowing light to pour in, convenient USB outlet, and will accommodate a queen-size bed with nightstands. The full-size bath has all the right touches: curved shower rod, tons of counter space, and lots of vanity storage. Enjoy the convenience of your in-home stacked washer and dryer. Welcome home.